bloody idiot. Hey people, how's all going today? Look what I bought. You know what that is. And there's the other part. Alright, you can't see, but anyway, got it in. You gotta take these two out. It's only these two screws, and that'll pop out real quick. Okay, I don't know if anyone else has had this problem, but now I've got the engine light just come on. Okay, I can turn that off. Just give me a sec. Alrighty, I think I know what the problem was. I didn't clip the bloody thing in hard enough. I unclipped it and gave it a really good push in. Turned off the engine light again, so see what happens. No engine light. Sounds alright. Let's see how it turns off. Turned off funny before. That's better. Turn it on again. No more engine light. Should go out. Thank you. Alright. Yeah, you've really got to push that plug in. Mine, for some reason, was a bit of a tight fit, which is usually a good thing, but not in this situation. Alright, let's put it all back together. 2 screws, and I might go for a spin. Alright, there you go. Yeah, no, it feels good. Certainly no more bloody hesitation. Got it set on U4, Ultimate 4 setting. But no, it's good. Love it. Just that little bit more touchy, you know. You touch the pedal, it's there. Love it. Alright. I don't really want to put it up any higher. It's already pretty it's already pretty sensitive. We got the boost wound up a little bit on this too, so geez, that felt good. Yeah, no, it feels much stronger. Feels great, much better. This thing's quite loud, so everybody bloody looks. Love it. I love it. Ah, that's terrible. Guys, I need subscribers now to pay for that fine. Yep. I need subscribers. I'm going to be hit with a fine. Ah, yeah, I boosted it when I shouldn't have.